everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, we're talking about UTHANDO NESTHEMBU. Guys, there's something that I've observed lana kula makhosikazi kaMsele ukuthi uMayeni she still believe ukuthi yena uNdlunkulu and usamcontroller futhi uMseleku as much as uMacele first wife alotsholwa kuqala, but uMseleku wahlangana noMayeni kuqala before ahlangane noMacele, just that they have their disagreement when it comes to indaba yesithembu and ezinye izinto babengavumelani ngazo. But uMayeni she still control uMseleku. uMacele guys uvumile ukuthi Mseleku ungabathatha abanye amakhosikazi, ungamthatha number 5 if uyamfuna, I don't have a problem. Then uMayeni is number 2 wathi no, angeke uzumthatha number 5, if uyamthatha mina ngiyahamba. Then uMseleku guys have to change his decision and eyenze ukuthi isuthe uMayeni in a way. And guys uMayeni told uMseleku ukuthi if unama meeting, if unama discussion and conversation whatever enzobe ninayo with regard to this number 5, please don't involve me. So on this episode guys, uMseleku invited all of them. They came and washaya ibhomu, boom, wathi ke yazini angisamthatha number 5. I do have a girlfriend, but I'm not going to, angeke ngimlobole, uzo remain as my girlfriend, because he's scared ukuthi mangabe emthatha uMayeni uyahamba noma ngwabe uyahamba. But akanankinga kakhulu noma ngwabe, ngoba uMangwabe uyasho ukuthi wamfice namakhosikazi amathathu then angeke azamshayela umthetho. But when it comes to uMayeni, umusa ngampela uyamlalela kakhulu. So guys, on this episode uMayeni was there in the meeting which surprised uMseleku ukuthi hayibo uMayeni ukhona la meeting of which wathi akafune lutho uzomhlanganisa nale indaba ka number 5. So she was there and she's the only person who showed interest ngale ndaba ka number 5. She's the one who was asking ubani igama lentombi yakho ke Mseleku. Uyasho uMseleku ukuthi hayi uMamtolo. Oh okay, isibongo uMamtolo, igama hayi igama kafuna ubatshela na because angeke azamenza unkosikazi wakhe kwaMseleku. And then uMayeni wasiyambuza ukuthi uhlalaphi, wamtshela no uhlala eThekwini. And yeah, so and guys in that time uMayeni is laughing, yazini uyahleka uyabhuqa, if wazi ukubhuqa ukuthi kwenzani. She's laughing and she's teasing uMseleku in a way. uMseleku end up crying and for no reason, because I don't know why he was crying guys. But anyway, yeah, if you agree ukuthi vele umusa Mseleku noma uMayeni uzitreata as uNdlunkulu laphana kaMseleku, do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Anyway, just tell me which of Musa Mseleku's wives is your favorite. Bye.